Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to request special meal on Lufthansa. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Lufthansa account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Lufthansa? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type lufthansa.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Lufthansa. Once you get in there, at the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find the login/registration button. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen instructions to sign in. After signing up successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Lufthansa. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's stats, and that is how to request special meal on Lufthansa. Now you can request special meal on Lufthansa during your booking. How do you book? Over here, head over to flights, select this. If it's a round trip, one way, multi-city, choose any of that. And then you have the economy. There's to select your travel type, if it's economy or if it's not. And then you have this travel class. So let's say I'm using first class. Then if you're going with other adults, add that. Children, infants, use the plus icon. If you're not going with anybody, use the minus icon. And the next thing to do is to add your location here and your destination, departure date, and select flight. So I'm going to use my recent search. So click on that, my recent search, so that I can show you how you can, of course, request special meal during your booking a Lufthansa. So I'm waiting for this page to load up. Reserve flights for 48 hours at guaranteed price. I love it. So the page is coming up, and once it is up, we're going to get right into it. So here is where you have to select your flight. So, and selecting my flight in here. So scroll the way down and just select. It takes me right into the next window. So it's coming up. So over here, I will need to confirm my details by clicking on enter passenger details, and it's going to take me right into the next window where we can now request special meal. Special meal sounds like something really special. So personal information. Oh, my personal information is supposed to be up already. Okay. All right, so all my details have been entered, so go ahead and click on confirm. So after clicking on confirm, it's going to take you right into the other window, which is the window we've been waiting for. Okay. Okay, so from this window, scroll the way down, and you have baggage, you have seats, you have special meals. So this is where you can now select your special meal. So go ahead and click on choose special meal, and it's going to take you to the other window where you can now choose your special meal. So this is okay. So select an option. Meal for gluten intolerance, vegetarian meal, child meal. Okay, and you have a lot of options. So let's say, okay, so choose any of that. And meals, number one, meal for lactose intolerance, and go ahead and click on confirm your choice. So after that, it takes you right into the next window. So there are a couple of options that you can choose from the special meal drop down menu. So choose from any of those options and request a special meal. Just add any and click on continue. And the next window is going to take you right is to this window where you can now click on continue to payment for you to make payment for this order. But that is pretty much how you can request special meal during your booking on Lufthansa. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.